We asked architecture students how we could best support their education. The answer was, get an unbiased opinion on their projects and have easy access to information on the latest technologies and innovations. We decided to build a portal to offer a solution. A portal where each student gets independent feedback from an architect from another country, another culture, another continent. A portal where students get valuable advice on their presentations from top 3D visualization experts. A portal where information and advice is shared and anyone can learn and improve by it. A portal where the student can find a comprehensive overview of the latest technologies and innovations in all sectors of architecture. A portal where students get practical information about new technologies directly from manufacturers. A portal you can build together with us. Global Virtual Faculty of Architecture. Inspireli Education. Join us and become a part of the global Inspireli family.